Ford may have just built the Bronco that finally gives Jeep owners something to worry about. The 2027 Bronco isn't just getting a few cosmetic updates. It introduces a factory-built RTR model, Raptor-derived off-road hardware, smarter technology, and performance upgrades that could make it the most capable Bronco Ford has ever produced. But are these changes enough to shake up the off-road SUV segment? Strap in, feel the power. Welcome to Torque Tribune, where every turn fuels your passion for motoring. Today, we're counting down the 7 biggest reasons why the all-new 2027 Ford Bronco is making everyone pay attention. Number 7. Purpose-built design that looks tough and works even harder. The Bronco RTR stands out with styling that's engineered for real off-road performance, not just appearance. An exclusive grille, signature LED lighting, and heritage-inspired squared fenders improve tire clearance and suspension articulation on challenging terrain. Graphics inspired by California's Johnson Valley highlight the SUV's off-road development routes, while Hyperlime accents add a modern performance touch. Buyers can also choose from multiple appearance packages to match their style. Completing the package are 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels with a wider offset for improved stability, making the Bronco RTR one of the most distinctive and purpose-built factory off-road SUVs in its class. But eye-catching design is only part of the story. What's happening behind the factory doors makes the new Bronco RTR even more impressive. Number 6. Factory-built RTR engineering raises the bar. One of the biggest upgrades for the 2027 Bronco RTR is that it's now built directly at Ford's Michigan assembly plant as a true factory model. Unlike previous RTR versions completed after production, this approach delivers factory-level engineering, comprehensive warranty coverage, nationwide dealer support, and stricter quality control. The RTR name, developed with professional racer Vaughn Gittin Jr., brings proven off-road expertise shaped by years of motorsports experience. Rather than being just another appearance package, the Bronco RTR is engineered from the ground up as a complete performance SUV, offering greater capability, reliability, and long-term ownership confidence. Of course, factory engineering only matters if it's backed by serious hardware, and Ford made sure this Bronco delivers where it counts. Number 5. Raptor-derived hardware built to dominate the trail. The Bronco RTR receives major off-road upgrades by borrowing proven components from the Bronco Raptor. A high-clearance suspension, Bilstein dampers, and 33-inch all-terrain tires improve wheel articulation, stability, and ground clearance on challenging terrain. Reinforced steering components increase durability, while the Raptor's 1,000-watt cooling fan helps manage engine temperatures during demanding off-road driving. Ford also includes its advanced anti-lag system in Baja mode, keeping the turbocharger spooled for quicker throttle response and stronger acceleration. Buyers seeking even more capability can add the available Sasquatch package, which includes 35-inch tires and Ford's advanced Haas suspension system. Strong hardware deserves equally capable powertrains, and that's exactly what Ford pairs it with next. Number 4. Engine choices that keep real driving excitement alive. Performance isn't just measured by horsepower. It's about how confidently a vehicle delivers power wherever the road or trail takes you. The 2027 Bronco continues offering one of the most versatile powertrain lineups in the segment, beginning with the proven 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing roughly 300 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. Its broad torque curve delivers strong low-end pulling power that's especially valuable during technical off-road driving, where smooth and controlled throttle response matters far more than outright speed. Before we reveal the top 3 biggest reasons the 2027 Bronco stands out, take a second to subscribe to Torque Tribune and turn on notifications. We cover the newest vehicle launches, performance upgrades, and automotive innovations, so you never miss what's coming next. Now let's jump into the top 3. Number 3. Trail-ready engineering that leaves ordinary SUVs behind. The 2027 Ford Bronco continues its off-road legacy with advanced technology built to tackle mud, rocks, sand, snow, and steep trails. Depending on the trim, buyers can equip electronic locking front and rear differentials, a front stabilizer bar disconnect, and Ford's GOAT goes over any type of terrain drive modes, which optimize traction and vehicle performance for changing conditions. Unlike rivals such as the Jeep Wrangler, the Bronco's independent front suspension delivers sharper steering, improved ride comfort, and greater highway stability while maintaining excellent off-road capability. For even greater performance, the available Sasquatch package adds 35-inch mud terrain tires, upgraded suspension, and increased ground clearance. But if even that level of capability isn't enough, Ford still has one more trail monster waiting at the top of the lineup. Number 2. Bronco Raptor continues to rule the off-road world. The Bronco Raptor remains the flagship of the lineup, delivering uncompromising factory-built off-road performance. Powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6, producing approximately 418 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.6 seconds, while maintaining exceptional capability on challenging terrain. Ford's advanced Haas suspension with Fox Live valve dampers, reinforced chassis, heavy-duty skid plates, generous ground clearance, and aggressive approach and departure angles allow it to tackle deserts, rocks, and rough trails with confidence. Whether you're chasing high-speed off-road adventures or technical rock crawling, the Bronco Raptor continues to set the benchmark for factory-built performance SUVs. Yet despite all that capability, one final factor could be the biggest reason buyers choose the 2027 Bronco. Number 1. Outstanding value could make it the segment's biggest winner. The 2027 Ford Bronco delivers an impressive balance of capability and value. Pricing is expected to start around $43,000, with well-equipped trims reaching the mid-$50,000 range. The new factory-built Bronco RTR offers many Raptor-inspired upgrades at a more accessible price point. Compared with rivals like the Jeep Wrangler, Toyota 4Runner, and Land Rover Defender, the Bronco stands out with removable doors and roof, an available 7-speed manual transmission, advanced terrain management technology, and excellent everyday drivability. With upgraded hardware, proven EcoBoost engines, and enhanced off-road capability, the 2027 Bronco is shaping up to be one of the segment's strongest overall values. Final verdict. Has Ford created its most complete Bronco yet? The 2027 Ford Bronco feels like much more than another annual refresh. Ford has strengthened nearly every aspect of the lineup by introducing a factory-built RTR, expanding its off-road hardware, refining proven powertrains, and continuing to support driving enthusiasts with the increasingly rare option of a manual transmission. Whether you're looking for a capable daily driver, a weekend overlanding companion, or a high-performance desert machine like the Bronco Raptor, there's now a Bronco tailored to fit nearly every type of adventure. It's a combination of engineering, capability, and versatility that reinforces why the Bronco remains one of the most respected names in the off-road SUV segment. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which version of the 2027 Ford Bronco would you choose? The factory-built RTR or the Bronco Raptor? And if you were shopping for a rugged SUV today, would the Bronco be your top pick? Or would another competitor earn a place in your garage? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experiences or opinions. Your insights might just help other auto enthusiasts make their next big decision. If you're all about staying ahead in the world of vehicles, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Torque Tribune community for the latest updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The 2027 Ford Bronco is just one of many exciting vehicles reshaping the automotive landscape. Click one of the videos on your screen now and discover what could be your next favorite vehicle, right here on Torque Tribune.